Hey guys, it's the Beauty Benz here and I'm back with another video. So this video is a review of the new Fenty beauty glosses. So I have the summer days and summer nights. Summer days, summer nights. How can I forget that? But this is Rihanna's Iridescent Lip Luminizer Trio. So this is the days trio. We have the summer nights trio, which has these three colors. I opened this one already. I couldn't wait. I couldn't help myself. I'm sorry. But yeah, let's get started. So it's just right to start with the summer days and then we'll try the summer nights. Now, I'm a little concerned. I bought this from Sephora and it's in the package upside down. I'm just a little paranoid. Like, did someone open this? Okay, you're gonna open this. Going to go, I guess I'll go from left to right. We're gonna start with the color Single. So we're close, up close and personal. So this is Single. I like the texture of the product. It feels really smooth and really slippery. It's a little sticky. This is what it looks like in its package. It looks a little more like a sea green in the packaging. When you put it on, I want to say I see little specks of like blue glitter and a little bit of pink glitter in this. Would I wear Single out? Honestly, I think I can pull this off, but I am the type of person that likes bold colors and crazy colors. So I actually have a MAC lipstick that I'd love to try with this. It's like kind of similar in colors, but it's more of a matte lip. I think they go good together. I don't know, I like it. We're gonna take it off and we're gonna move on. So next color is called Bilingual. So here goes Bilingual. Ooh, I like this one already. You guys can't see it. Alright, so right now I have on Bilingual. So this is Bilingual. And it's kind of like looks more orange. It has like orange and pink glitter in it. On camera, and even like if I lean back, it looks really nude. But it does have this kind of like pink hue to it. Like from far away, if it catches the light, it looks pink. Looks like there's some pink on it. Besides that, it looks really neutral. Now I have like, naturally my lips are brown, so maybe that's why. Now when you wipe it off, that's crazy. Look, it's like bright orange. But on my lips, I don't see orange at all. So next color in this pack is called Ready to Mingle. So this looks almost like the opposite of the other color. And I feel like this is gonna have like an orange kind of glow to it, but we'll see. Oh, it doesn't. The formula feels a bit different. This is probably the loudest of the glosses in this pack. It's really cute, like super bright pink. Feels good. That's it for summer days. So now we're gonna go through the summer nights. So here, these are summer nights colors, and we're gonna start with Mermaid Thigh. Ooh, Mermaid Thigh. That's pretty. The texture of this is a bit thicker. Texture is nice, but this gives me, I feel like I look like I just ate a blue popsicle. I think in a picture this would look really good, but I don't know if I like it off my skin. We'll move on to the next one. My poor lips, right? Luckily this is a gloss though, so we're not doing that much damage. That was Mermaid Thighs, right? Next we have a snakeskin. So when I saw this one, or actually when I saw the whole, what was it, Summer Nights pack, I was really excited. Summer days, I was like, yeah, but summer nights, I just like, it's like a lot more dual chrome than the summer days, but check this out. I think that snakeskin is a win for me. I like it in person. It's like pretty green, and it also like, it looks like a when you can't see the green, kind of see it all the time. It looks like a natural brown, and then it has like the green shimmer throughout. I like it a lot. It's probably one of my faves. Definitely one of my faves. Okay, we're gonna wipe this off. I was actually so excited when I saw Rihanna like demoing these on her Insta story, because like I just love stuff that's out of the box. And I like bright colors. Like I like loud. Okay, so I have one more color to try. That color is Vacay. So Vacay slightly reminds me of Fenty Beauty Gloss that first launched. So let's see. Ooh, it's like gold. So this color here actually is like a pink and I wouldn't even say orange, but like gold. So I got that. Okay, so this is Vacay. And it's funny that it's named Vacay because I could definitely like, this would be a gloss I wear to the beach with like a bomb bold ass highlight and like braids, and this is a Vacay lip for sure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely had fun swatching these colors. I'm about to do it again for pictures. Yay! Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you subscribe and you really like my videos, then click on the little bell right next to the subscribe button. I definitely appreciate it. But yeah, bye-bye.